Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy Glam Bag for December, and I think it looks Christmassy, so I like that. It's really nice gold, and on the back it's just plain black. Cute little bag. And I've seen a couple other people's bags this month, and I know there's an extra item in here. So we'll go ahead and pull those out. I think one of the brushes is supposed to be the extra item. So we have a Luxie brush. I get a lot of those, and they're pretty good. I have that. And then Farrah, I guess is the name of that. I like how this is indented here so you can hold it really well. So that's a cool one as well. Got two brushes. The Professional Pore Primer. Smoothing face primer to minimize the look of pores. It's cool little packaging, and then inside is a little sample. Pretty neat. I also have Delectable. This is hand cream and iced gingerbread. Ooh, I bet that smells good. I'm pretty sure I got one from this brand in a different scent, like coconut maybe, before. And I did like it. Yes, that smells amazing. Love the gingerbread scent. And it's kind of thick, but it absorbs really well. Love that. Next up, we have nail polish. I feel like now that I don't use nail polish, I use the Color Street stuff. I've been getting nail polish like crazy lately, so maybe I need to say something in my reviews, but this is a really cool purple color. Really neat. So I might give that to a friend since I don't use nail polish anymore. Or maybe I can use it for an accent nail or something. And the inside of the bag's pink too. I don't think I showed that. But the last item is Hey Honey. This is a soothing moisturizer. It's supposed to calm redness and upset skin. And again, I've tried this brand and they have some pretty cool stuff. So good bag this month. Cute bag. Got some great products. If you guys are interested in signing up for Ipsy, it's only $10 a month. And I'll put a link below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.